Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some clear skies out there this morning, some cooler conditions as we had a dry cold front move through yesterday evening, gave us a wind shift out of the northwest, allowing for us to have cooler conditions this morning and the drier air mass in place. Looking at our current observations across the region, as well as our infrared satellite and our radar. Not seeing anything on the radar this morning, just some ground clutter around the radars. Northwesterly winds across the region, allowing for those temperatures to dip down in the mid-40s last night. Seeing a rebound this morning, already up to 48 degrees after a low of 45 last night here at Wallops. Going to see our winds become quite gusty for the mid-morning hours. Seeing a gust up to 25 at Pax River, the latest observation there. Our surface analysis as of 9Z this morning, we have a area high pressure starting to build in from the west. It's tightening our pressure gradient across the region, as well as an area low pressure across the northern portion of the northeast states of the area. Looking like that area low pressure is continue to move off to the northeast, and this area high pressure is going to build into the region, giving us this tighter pressure gradient for this morning into the early afternoon hours, possibly giving us winds at 25 knots for the mid-morning hours today. Looking at our current observation as of 8:15 this morning, we had a few clouds at 3,000 feet, wind out of 320 degrees at 6 knots, temperature 48 degrees, and relative humidity at 65%. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have temperature around the mid to upper 50s for this afternoon with a high of 58 degrees, a low tonight of 38. We'll have winds out of the northwest at 12 to 17 knots after about 10 o'clock today, gusting up to 25 knots, so an orange for our winds at or greater than 25 knots for the mid-morning hours. And then we'll see our winds continue around that 25 knot criteria for the early afternoon, and because of that we have a yellow here with a gust up to 24 possible early in the afternoon. See those winds die down tonight out of the north at 5 to 10 knots by tomorrow morning, allowing for those cooler temperatures with high pressure starting to build into the region. We'll have mostly sunny skies across the region today. In our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll have continued VFR conditions throughout the next 24 hours and into Thursday afternoon. Our tides are currently normal, and looking into Thursday into Friday. Thursday we'll have mostly sunny skies in the morning, becoming partly cloudy to mostly cloudy in the afternoon evening. We'll have a high of 56 degrees. Green chart on Thursday. Thursday night we'll have mostly cloudy conditions and chilly temperatures, a low of 41. And for Friday we'll have mostly cloudy skies, becoming overcast, rain likely during the afternoon and evening. Slightly breezy winds late. We'll have a high of 59 degrees. We'll have a red for precipitation. Looks like that rainfall should get in here by the mid-afternoon hours and continue through the evening hours. Some of that could be heavy at times for our Friday evening. And we'll see our winds late on Friday, possibly gusting up to 25 knots. That's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief this morning. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.